How to recall mail in Outlook Webmail. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can recall mail in Outlook Webmail, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you would like to recall the mail in your Outlook Webmail, first of all go to outlook.live.com/mail and make sure that you are logged into your account. And once you are logged into your account, from here you just want to head over to the sent items tab, as you can find here, and you should be able to see a list of emails that you have sent. Now let's say it's a mistaken email and you don't want to send them, and now you want to delete it or unsend it or recall it. First of all, select the mail that you would like to recall. Here you'll be able to see various sorts of options. So over here, when you hover over it, you'll find the little trash icon. Make sure to click on the trash icon. Just click the OK button, and then you'll be able to go ahead and then recall those mails. This way you can recall mails in Outlook Webmail. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.